So, Beck, one of the things that's really difficult in any relationship is that relationship coming to an end, and that happening in a respectful way and a way that, works for both people involved. What advice have you got to LGBTI couples around how to manage that process?
Yeah, absolutely. One of the real, I guess, interesting aspects about our law is despite the fact that at the moment anyway, law's not the same about marriage equality. When it comes to the end of a relationship, everyone's subject to the same law, whether you're de facto married, LGBTI, heterosexual, whatever it might be. At the end of a relationship, the law treats everyone the same, which is always an interesting phenomenon for me. But look, it can be a really challenging time for people. It can be a challenging time if they have to separate their property. It can be a challenging time if they have to make arrangements for their children. But look, I think the thing is that a lot of people have a fear that as soon as they go to a lawyer, that means they're going to be in court for 3 years or 5 years and spend millions of dollars. So I guess what I always encourage people to do is go and see a lawyer really early. It doesn't mean you're being litigious. It doesn't mean anything has to go wrong, but I think knowledge is power, and it's really smart for both people to know where they stand. And then we always encourage people to go to mediation. The Family Law Act actually requires people to go to mediation if they have children before they go to court. But even if they don't, there's really, as you said, Bronte, respectful ways that people can manage that separation. And look, sometimes people do have to go to court. That's a reality of it. If they're in a position where they need something urgently or they just can't agree, then there is judges there to make those decisions for them. But as much as possible, we try to help that resolve before they get there.